How do you walk?
With my legs.
No,
usually.
in the game, I mean. Sorry.
You ready? Let's go.
I was like, sir, we're a cell phone company. He's like, you supply internet to my phone. I was like, yeah, we supply to the phone. He's like, my Wi-Fi isn't working on my computer. That's the same thing. It's the same internet. I'm like, no.
At least you got
Call
the
your
call,
Wi-Fi company.
No, I have the unlimited data plan.
God, I hate that call. How do I make this work on the PlayStation? The power button doesn't just turn it on.
No, you have to
It
sync
says
it.
I have to do something to it. Yeah.
You gotta tell it you're putting in a new one.
I don't know how.
I'm in the middle of the game.
Uncle Tony, he needs a minute. Hold down the fort.
We're flying.
Hold down the plane.
Good
Hi,
luck.
Tony. I'll try to play for you.
Sit
How
there
do I
if you
play?
wanna try and play.
How do I play?
WASD.
Tony, how do I play?
Um,
Yeah, I gotta help you.
press space.
A lot or just a little?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
I only did it once.
That's enough.
Okay.
And then just follow me.
I don't know where you are. I'm just falling to the ground.
Yeah. Just you know what you should do?
I'm not wearing my glasses, just so you know. I don't know. So I don't know what the screen says.
As long as you do your best, I'm sure it'll be all right.
Cool. How's work?
Yeah. It's good. I'm back at the office as of this week.
How do you walk?
With my legs.
No,
usually.
in the game, I mean. Sorry. I'm feeling pretty happy. I don't know how to make
Yeah.
this person move.
WASD. And use the mouse to look around.
Oh, the mouse.
And to shoot, just point and click.
Okay.
Point at him, click him to shoot him dead. It's a nice gun. I should probably find you. And the fact that you're not dead yet is an
started
absolute
walking.
miracle.
I went over some train tracks.
Okay. Yeah, just if you hear people shooting, just go hide. How far away are you?
I don't know.
I'm not that far.
I mean, I think I see your name over there.
Yep.
Oh, that way.
Oh. Getting boxes. A whole bunch of boxes. Oh.
So they made you guys go back to the office. That sucks.
Yeah. It's alright though. It's better at the office because you can hear everybody else being just as unhappy as you are. Makes you feel better.
I don't know. I like people not being able to hear me.
Yeah, it was nice, but the only thing that sucks is just getting up in the morning and going to like the commute to work. It's garbage.
I got 3 feet. That's all I have to walk.
Yeah.
And we got a new manager. It was really cool. He lives in Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Yeah, so
Like
when
he
we
currently
have, like,
lives in Jamaica?
yeah, like I could move to Jamaica and keep my job. It'd be really cool.
It's awesome.
Yeah. So when we have like meetings and shit, he opens his windows and you can see the beach. It's like super cool.
Wow.
It pays shit though. And people suck. It's way worse than
Yeah.
collecting debt. I would do it over this any day.
Well, yeah, collecting debt is easy because it's just monotone. It's like, yeah, whatever you said
Yeah.
is cool and all, but you still owe a bill.
That's the one thing my supervisor mentions is that I'm very direct. I'm like, no, we can't do that. You're out of luck.
Yeah.
Instead of like, oh man, I'm really sorry, we can't do that.
I'm the
Screw you.
nicest guy in the world.
I'm not.
We have to be nice though.
I'm
We're
supposed
just-
to.
We're super nice. We're all about just customer satisfaction. Where are you going?
I don't know. Am I supposed to be going somewhere specific?
No. There's a mini map up there. I would say follow the blue triangle.
I don't see a blue triangle.
It's on the edge of your map.
Oh. That
Yeah.
thing.
You're the orange triangle. Try to follow the blue one.
I want to go this way then.
There's people that are going to kill you pretty soon though, so I should probably go help you.
I haven't seen anybody, so.
Oh, they'll find you. I saw them. And they're coming.
I got that Matthew luck where I just run around.
Yeah, I don't know how you're not dead yet. When Michael comes back, he's gonna be like, "How many games you guys go through?"
I just spent the whole thing trying to track down my blue map.
You're just walking around.
Hey, it's working.
Apparently. Alright, follow me. And let's go, right here.
Anyone need it?
Oh, look, there you are.
Follow that flag.
Yeah.
We're getting revived everywhere.
Oh shoot, how do I jump over the wall?
Space.
Oh.
Alright, let's go. There's people here. Nah, maybe I'm wrong.
Cool. I haven't died yet.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, tag in, tag him out.
He said I'm
Tag
supposed
him
to
in.
tag you in though.
Tag him in now.
Apparently. Jeez. I did great. I didn't die once.
Stop in the middle of that street.
He said to stop me.
I didn't want to risk going any further with him.
Where are we going? Did I get any guns? No.
No, she landed, I don't know where, because we landed on opposite sides of the map somehow. And then she just walked all the way to me, and I don't know how she got to me.
Survive.
You're gonna need to play back. I hope you're recording, because I want you to play back whatever she just did. I don't know how she survived. I don't know where she landed. She must have landed just where nobody was. She didn't pick anything up?
No. Oh,
Over here.
footsteps. Oh my god.
What's the other one? Uh-oh.
I don't know, I think they were both there.
No, I'm
Oh,
dumb.
God.
I messed up. I got one of them, but the second guy, ran ammo with him. That's okay. We're both in the gulag. Never mind. Tell Alicia to come back. things were good when she was here. Things went downhill as soon as you showed up.
Wow. Hear that, honey? It went downhill when I got here.
You died, bro. Just stating facts. You want to fight about it? Hey, you want to fight about it? I mean,
I'll fight you in the gulag.
well, you think so, huh?
I would just die.
I would absolutely murder you. Once we have multiplayer, I'm gonna 1v1 you on the small.
I guess I did
Constantly.
one sniper before, though.
You're up, soldier.
All right.
Now go sort this fucker.
Nice, you got him. You got him. Easy. Punch him. Rush him and punch him. Rush him. Rush him. Hurry, he's behind you. Rush him. Rush him. He's behind you. He's behind you. He's behind you. Turn around. Turn around and punch him. Turn around and punch him. Quick. Turn around and punch him. He's got fists out. He's got fists out. Punch him. Oh, we can beat you up against the wall.
Yeah, I don't know how to turn around with a mouse. Like, it just runs a big circle like you see. There's
Yeah,
like
you
no
gotta-
stopping to pivot.
You gotta up your sensitivity though if you can't spin on a dime. You gotta be able to spin on a dime. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. That's my
Oh,
fault.
that was you? I wasn't even paying attention.
That was being dumb.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.